To our channel. Today we talk about two-wheeler sales in June 2021. Just like the car manufacturers, the two-wheelers makes took a hit during the pandemic. There was a slight decrease in the sales of compared to 2020. The two-wheelers manufacturers also faced various issues like an increase in input cost leading to the price hike of various products. Let us look at the sales report for June 2021. Hero Motocorp. It is no brainer that Hero Motocorp is India's leading two-wheelers brand. There is always a motorbike for Hero, which is on the top list. Hero Splendor and HF Deluxe are the two bikes of the year in terms of sales. On Thursday, Hero reporting a 1.7% growth in sales for selling 4,30,889 units in June 2020 to 4,38,524 units in June 2021. The total sales report at 3.8% with 4,69,160 units in June 2021 and 4,18,141 units in June 2020. With the upcoming festivals, Heroes Motocorp hopes to see an increase in sales as the demand is going higher. Bajaj Auto coming in second after Hero Motocorp. Bajaj announced on Thursday that it has sold overall 3,10,578 units in June 2021 as compared to last year, which was 2,55,122 units. There is a 22% increase. They include domestic and export sales. With regard to domestic sales, Bajaj sold 1,55,640 units in May 2021. If compared to the previous year, it sold 1,46,695 units in June 2020. Now coming to export figure of June 2021 boomed 43% at 1,54,938 units, with compared to 1,08,427 units exported in June 2020. Bajaj Pulsar, Bajaj Platina are out compared to Hero Motocorp, Splendor and HF Deluxe. TVS Motors. TVS is also the one leading manufacturers of two-wheelers in India. The Apache has the most sales of all the bikes. TVS has reported 25% growth at 2,38,092 units in June 2021 compared to previous year, which was 1,91,076 units. They consist of motorcycles and scooter sales. Motorcycle sales registered an increase from 84,401 units in June 2020 to 1,46,874 units in June 2021. Now coming to scooters, it took a decline in sales from 65,666 units in June 2020 to 54,595 units in June 2021. Domestic sales report an increase from 1,44,817 units in June 2020 to 1,45,413 units in June 2021. In terms of export, it rose from 46,259 units in June 2020 to 92,679 units in June 2021. Major some of these numbers are Apache Entra, Jupiter Scooter, Pipt Plus, and City 110 two-wheelers. Japanese Honda two-wheelers manufacturers Honda is not behind on sales chart. Honda announced that they had 11% increase in sales in June 2021. Sales of June 2021 was 2,34,029 units, and June 2020 it was 2,10,879 units. Honda two-wheelers report domestic sales of 2,12,046 units as of June 2021 and 2,02,837 units as of June 2020. As far as export in considered, there was an increase from 8,042 units in June 2020 to 21,583 units in June 2021. Honda Activa and Honda CB Shine are the two most two-wheelers from the company and have contributed major sales in the figure. Mr. Yadvendra Singh Gulia, Director Sales and Management Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India PBT Limited, said almost 95% of HMSI dealers have resumed business while the gradually scaling of operations across all four plants. Overall, the two-wheeler sales performance in June 2021 has boosted the market segment as more customers are visiting dealership and inquiry online. Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield is famous for its 500cc Bullet and Classic models, but after the discontinuing of 500cc, the 350 Classic became a major contribution of brand in June 2021. Royal Enfield reports sales of 37,258 units in 350cc segment. If compared to June 2020, it sold 34,890 units. The company reports 7% growth. The major contribution are Classic 350, Meteor 350, Bullet, and Electra. Above the 350 segment, the sales were 5,790 units in June 2021, and June 2020 it was 3,175 units. Their yearly growth of 82.36%. 350cc above segment includes 650 Twins and Himalayan. There are the sales report of June 2021. The number of positive, that is domestic and export, or increased sales report of June 2021 have not been announced yet by Suzuki, Yamaha and Java.